Open Chrome browser. Now we will navigate to the page where we can download the game images. Go to this link. You can also find it in the description, below the video. Press the background image to download it. Right-click. Open your download folder. Right-click and select Copy Image. Open Visual Studio Code. Right-click, as shown, and select Reveal in File Explorer. Now we can see our game folder that we have created. Open the folder and all our game files will be revealed. Right-click and paste the image. Now we can see the background image inside our project files.